Well, I've been having a lot of problem with my glasses lately, and been going through them like water. This is my old pair. Ones I got on now are from the dollar store, and they're just crap. I can see my computers and shit with them, but that's about it. And last night, my other end broke off here, if I can get it in camera. That broke off, and this side here had already broken off, and I gobbed it all together. And my new pair that I'd gotten here late last year, they've been broken apart, and I've tried gluing them back together and stuff, and they're just crap, you know. So I got looking on an old Thingiverse there. I know I look like shit. I haven't even combed my hair yet today. I'm not gonna either. I'm getting ready for bed. But so I went on Thingiverse and found some glasses on there, and printed me off some new glasses. Used my lenses from these glasses, and I printed me off some nice white glasses. They are very comfortable. I know they look a little goofy white, but that's all I had for ABS filament, and I wanted them made out of ABS because it's a tougher plastic. So this is what we made today. Had to find the right ones. My lenses don't fit in there 100%, but hey, they work. I can see. That's all I give a shit about. So I'm gonna throw it out there, guys. Have a great day. Bye.